Good afternoon to all of you. While reflecting on our readings today, particularly the Gospel, I was reminded by the story of a certain woman whose car stopped in the middle of a busy street. She raised the hood of her car and began to search for the problem. Motorists swerved around her, blowing their horns and hurling bad words at her. Kasi nakakakos na siya ng heavy traffic. Kaya ang daming motorista, putput ng putput, sinisigawan siya. And when the woman counted over 100 cars that passed her by before someone paused, rolled down his window, and asked if she needed help. Sa maraming sasakyang dumaan, pinitpitan siya ng malakas, sinabihan siya ng hindi magaganda, pero may isang huminto, binaba ang kanyang car window at tinanong kung anong problema at maitutulong. The proverb says, "Do not withhold good from those to whom it is due, when it is in your power to do it." My dear brothers and sisters, perhaps many were too busy to stop. But the Word of God goes on to say, "Do not say to your neighbor, 'Tomorrow I will give you,' or 'Tomorrow I will help you,' when you have it with you now." Huwag na nating pagpaliban, ipagpabukas, kung nasa sitwasyon na tayo at nasa kamay natin na gumawa ng mabuti at tumulong sa kapwa, gawin na natin. Huwag na nating ipagbukas, huwag na nating isantabi. Implying that each of us in our gospel today is like a lamp. Jesus says, "No one after lighting a lamp covers it with a vessel." My dear brothers and sisters, Jesus wants us not to hide the lamp of our goodness, but let it shine before others in response to God's goodness to us. In the office of the grade school principal hangs a poster with these words on it, and I quote, "My life shall touch 12 lives before this day is done, shall leave countless marks for good or ill before sets this evening sun." So this is the wish I always wish. Let my life help other lives it, touches by the way. Paningasin natin ang kabutihan na iliwanag na ibinahagi ng Panginoon sa ating buhay. Dahil kapag binabahagi natin ang kagandahang loob sa kapwa na tinanim ng Diyos sa atin, dinadakila at pinupuri natin ang ngalan ng Panginoon. Pinagpapatuloy po natin ang liwanag na nagmumula kay Kristo, ang liwanag ng buhay. Let us continue to share the goodness and response to the goodness of God to us. Let us continue to be the light that shines the love of God through our help for one another.